In the end, I find that the claimant has successfully proven his claim as against the respondent. I further find that the respondent has not successfully proven his claim as against the claimant. His counterclaim cannot stand. I hereby order as follows. Judgment is hereby entered in favor of the claimant as against the respondent for the sum of 500,000 plus costs of the suit and interest at court rate from the date of judgment till payment in full. The respondent's counterclaim is hereby dismissed with no orders as to cost. It is so ordered.
Known as Robbert Lutta. He sued the Member of Parliament for Mumias East. And today the court has made a ruling in favor of my client that the MP should pay the money that he owes my client. And we are now proceeding to move to execute the judgment. Execution entails attaching his property or alternatively having him put in jail. So we will be hoping that he settles the amount without undue duress from us or pressure from us. We believe in the course of law, and today, regardless of the position of somebody in society, courts of law work based on the evidence presented by either party to a claim.